Hello friends, welcome to my channel Home Cooking. Today into a lovely segment of hashtag Tanatan Tuesday, I am going to show you a lovely collections of pots and clay pots. So go eco-friendly and go Desi this summer with the goodness of all of it. Like this video and let's get started. This summer, quench your thirst with the lovely chilled water and also a benefits and the goodness of the earthen pots. This terracotta person had lot many varieties of pots of different sizes, shapes and different clays. They also had a sturdy stand, a plastic stand with the different colors. The color of your pot you can match it with the stand also. Now here comes the loads and loads of varieties of the earthen pots. So hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel if you're new to this channel, and watch the video till the end because I will show you the pots collection that I purchased from this person. Now clay pots has lots and lots of benefits of drinking water from it. It is very gentle for on your throat, especially of this crucial season when we have the chances of falling ill very easily. It can save you from the summer stroke. Instead of taking chilled water out of the refrigerator, having a chilled water from the earthen pots will be very beneficial, and also cooling ability will really refresh you. It helps to maintain our pH balance, which will help us to relieve acidity and gastronomic pain. It also is a pocket friendly in a nature. Now these pots what we are seeing here were very good quality, and the white pots that you are seeing here are also known as Rajasthani Mitti. While looking at the terracotta thing, this lovely 1 liter mud bottle just startled my eyes. I loved it. It's a travel friendly, and also you can carry it in any room if you're going to give your exams or going outside. It would be wow. They also had a very good varieties of diyas. They were handmade and they were also very cheaper in price. Now, taking care of the earthen pots is very easy. Once you purchase, you have to keep it in mind that the pot does not leak from the tap area. So ask him to fill the water and show you if it is not leakaging. The leakage problem comes when you purchase a very bigger size of pot into a medium and smaller size. There are no issues at all. Now once you buy the pot, you have to fill the water overnight and next day you can use it, and every 2 to 3 days nicely rinse your uh, pots, and very nice water would be ready maybe within 3 to 4 hours chilled. And now I will show you all the collections that I have purchased from this to my house. I also purchased this lovely stand. Above that I have placed a very flat vessel to keep the pot, and they also had a matching lid with that. So I have kept this pot into a lounge area where we had lot of problem of having water every now and then. I have to take the bottles here and there, but now this has solved the problem. This white pot I have purchased is a Rajasthani Mitti. As the water does not comes out much, which usually comes out in the red pot that I have experienced earlier, so totally we purchased 3 pots, and this lovely red color, I just loved it in the first glance. I have kept it into my mother's room, and she cherishes all her childhood memories, and she loved this pot and the quality of the water coming from it. Now another one, I have kept it into my kitchen, and while it is filling up with the RO water, do like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye. Have a great day.